Bitcoin and crypto are a couple of the most risky investments or gambles, as people would say. And am I one to take a gamble and try to make a quick buck? Yeah. There's no doubt that crypto and Bitcoin have had some booms and busts. It's gone up through the roof and then down to the basement. However, over time, over the last 4 years, it's gone up about 10x. In this video, I'm going to show you how to take advantage of the volatility and bank money on both the moves up and the moves down. All I ask is you hit that like and subscribe button down below. Also, be sure and download the free options workshop in the link below. It talks about the two main benefits of trading options over buying stocks outright. Disclaimer, I'm not a financial planner and I'm not recommending trades. Please do your own research, and if you're new or learning options, I recommend you start small. Use the link below and join Moomoo. You can get 8.1% on uninvested cash and up to 15 free stocks. You also get the free charting software. It's a zero commission online platform brokerage. All right, guys, I'm going to show you how I'm trading crypto on both sides of the market. And I'm not using Bitcoin. I'm using Coinbase, ticker symbol COIN. And it's the go-to platform brokerage for retail investors as well as institutional investors. RJ Fulton from The Motley Fool wrote an article about how you'll wish you bought this undervalued stock. And he's talking about Coinbase. He talks about the cryptocurrency market being already larger than the internet was back in 2000 and how it's going to benefit Coinbase going forward. Coinbase's revenue has grown 550% since 2019, and they're more diversified than they were in the past. Previously, it was just transaction fees, but now that's 60% of their business. And then they also receive revenue from interest and custodial fees and other products. And it's really turning out to be the go-to platform for not only retail investors, but also institutions. And the financial regulations of Bitcoin and crypto are becoming more clear, which is going to benefit Coinbase. And there's even ETFs now that are approved utilizing Bitcoin and Ethereum. Now, if we look at coin since February of this year, it's basically been the last 7 months that it's been trading in a range between 180 and 260. So I'm going to look to take advantage of this range and hope it continues for a few more months. It's got a pretty good recent history. I'm going to place an Iron Condor and place my short strikes right at those marks. All right, guys, so we're going to use the Tasty Trade platform for this trade, and we're going to do an Iron Condor in coin. You can see it's trading right now at 205. It's down $6 today. The IVR is 32, so that IVR, implied volatility rank, that allows us to collect more premium when we sell options. So we're going to be on the trade tab right here, and then I'm going to go closest to 45 days to expiration, so that's going to be the October regular option chain. I'm going to click and open that up, and then we can either hit Iron Condor right here and it sets it up automatically, or I'm going to do it individually just to show you. We're going to sell the put spread first. Actually, going back, looking at the chart, you can see that range between, I've got this set at 180 and then 260, and you can see it's traded in that range since March. So and we're in the end of August right now, so it's been trading in that range pretty consistently for that time period. So let's look, and we're going to click on the bid to sell the 180 strike put. Puts are on the right, calls are on the left. So the 180 put, and then we are going to go ahead and buy by clicking on the ask, the 170. So this limits our loss to that $10 width of the spread, which is $1,000. Now, if we go to the call side, we're going to go up to the 260 and the 270, and we're $10 wide on the call side. So you can see this green profit range right here, and we collect $4.15 for this. And because it's in this range, this is a little bit more aggressive than I would normally go, but hey, we're going to collect $400, $415. So our max loss, we can only lose on one side. Our max loss, you see right here, is $585. And we're only utilizing $585 in buying power. and we're going to collect $412 if it stays between that range. And we've got a 54% probability of profit. So if we wanted to increase that probability of profit, we just move out further. We can go to the 170. We collect less, $3.40, but our probability of profit went up to 60%. You can do the same here. We can go out here to the 280 and collect $295. Our probability of profit went up to 65%. We can move down further, and 165, 155. We collect 260, but we're at 70%, 69% probability of profit now. But what I'm going to do, I like that 180 range because I'm a fan of Bitcoin, and I think it's going to go higher. So I'm fine with that. I think it's going to stay within a range as well. So I'm going to go with collecting more premium on this one. And if we click on the curve mode, and then we can see, we're also clicked on analysis, but you can see here's where we are right now at the 204.68, and we're right in the middle, a little bit to the downside, because I think it could move up. We're a little bit to the downside in this range as well. So I'm allowing for it to move up a little bit more, but I'm going to go ahead, click review and send, and place this trade and collect $415 in coin utilizing this Iron Condor strategy. All right, guys, this caps off today's video. Be sure and download the free options workshop in the link below. Remember to hit like and subscribe. Leave a comment. Let me know what you're trading. Any questions that you have, I answer every one. Join Mumu, get your 15 free stocks. I'll see you in the next video.